Just wanted to do a quick video on the Zerostart block heater installed in a 1999 Toyota Camry 2.2 liter. Pretty simple. You plug the block heater into the grid. You have this hanging out. Plug that in, and that gives you this block heater right here. Right now it's negative single digits, and if we take a temperature reading, you can see the upper coolant hose is at 65 degrees, and that's on the outside. So the coolant surrounding the area from there and up should be at least that temperature. So that's just a real quick explanation and showing you how the block heater works. So when you're ready to take off, simply stash the plug here. Come over to the car. Starts right up. And best part, already slightly warm. And you'll see the temp gauge only takes a few seconds and already starts to rise up.